In this video, we're going to show you how you can go ahead and add filters and effects on during a WhatsApp video call. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials on WhatsApp. Using filters on WhatsApp can make your calls a lot more fun, and here's how you can do it. Begin by opening up WhatsApp and heading to the bottom right to tap on Settings. Scroll down on this section until you find Privacy and open it up, and then find the section that does say Allow Camera Effects. Go ahead and toggle this setting on. It might load for a sec, and if it gives you an error, you need to go ahead and enable it. Now that it's enabled, all you need to go ahead and do is go back to whatever chat you're trying to use. I'm going to use this one for example and start a video call. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to start a video call, but I'm going to hit this camera icon and it's pretty much the exact same thing. What you're going to want to hit is actually this button right to the left of the recording button, and it's going to open up this section right here. From here, it's going to automatically be on effects, but you can go ahead and change it to pretty much whatever you would like if you need to. You could put it on specific filters, which is pretty cool. I'm going to put it on this one, I guess. Actually, I don't like that one that much. We'll do this. See, that's cinematic right there. And then maybe we'll put on some cool shades and have some clouds. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, let us know down in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a great day.